My name is Finbar and I'm a historian based in Kilkenny, and I make the Irish History Podcast, one of Ireland's most popular independent podcast series. Through autumn 2019, I'm involved in a programme with the Local Studies Department of Kilkenny County Council Library, where we're introducing primary sources available in the library online to students in the senior cycle in conjunction with the Decade of Centenaries.
My name is Colin Madden. I'm a history teacher in Dwyer, Johnstown, County Kilkenny, and I'm here today with my fifth-year students in Urlingford Library as they begin their work on their RSR projects for Leaving Cert. We'd just like to thank the library and to Dwyer and to Nuala and all the gang for hosting us today and showing us in particular the benefits as well as the drawbacks of using primary sources for their projects. And the students got really great information on the dangers as well as the good ways of using sources, and it's a great way to start looking at their projects for Leaving Cert.